I be so sick of you niggas, you're contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Welcome everyone. It's my first ever vlog in my broke girl era. Don't worry guys, you're gonna see these girls glow up. So I decided to start this YouTube channel just to I've been thinking of doing YouTube, but I could not just decide what I want to do. So I just decided I'll just vlog whatever. You know, when you are on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, you see people vlogging their most exotic and beautiful life. For me, I'm so boring. I have nothing to vlog. So I decided I'll just vlog whatever. Since I can't decide on a niche or whatever, I'll just vlog my boring life. So I titled the vlogs that I've been posting for a while now Diary of a Rich Lagos Babe. Yeah, fake it till you make it, guys. You gotta speak what you want, you got to manifest what you want, and then you will see it. So in this vlog, I'm just gonna show you a couple of days, that I recorded. Some days I couldn't record because I was just not feeling it. But these 2 days I was eating, so food makes me happy. Just eat and enjoy myself, and then just let you guys see. So I ordered some food from Childtech and went out. My friend, a boyfriend, took her out. Well, not really a boyfriend. Point of correction. She sees this video, she's going to kill me. But basically, the guy that wants to be our boyfriend took us out, and we, enjoyed at some really nice dishes. And after work, it was after work because we were totally stressed and we were able to relieve our stress. So you guys should enjoy the video and like, subscribe, and tell me what you think. I know all of us in our 20s now, we're basically just trying to figure out what to do, how to be stable financially, and that's what's in my head like 24/7 now these days. So I just hope this will be a video I'll be looking back to one day and just wonder, oh, look at that video, look at that program. For now,
So it was
she's gonna be
payday,
rich.
and my friend and I, we were just, at that point when you're at
See you
work
guys.
and all you can think of is food, 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 food. And that day, our favorite restaurant did not open, so we thought, and Child Deck was just, we are doing Bonanza, or would I say they had promos ongoing. So we decided to say to like order in. So we got on the app and ordered some chicken and jollof rice and fried rice. Me and I do this thing, like we really enjoy eating from each other's food. So we order different. This is our trying to stealing my chicken. This guy is still. So we just buy different meals. It could be, anything. We won't buy the same thing. So then we now share. We eat from each portion together. I love Chicken Republic's chicken. It tastes really good and it's always crunchy. I literally almost finished the bone, but I just have to control myself.